Hi there guys, welcome to Oner Hosting. Today, you'll learn about registering a new domain name and hosting for your website. Step 1. Choose a suitable package for your business and then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll be able to choose a domain name for your business and check for its availability right here on the website. Once that's done, click Continue. You're able to see information based on your preferred package. When happy, click Continue. At the Domains Configurations page, you can click on Add ONS that you want for your website. Click Continue when complete. Now, with the configurations added, you'll be able to see your new total and ready for checkout. Assuming you haven't already created an account with us, you will be able to do so here. If you have created an account, just log in. You'll be required to fill in your basic information such as names, address, your personal email address, phone number, company name and details, but that's optional. You can create a password or just generate one to be safe and save time. Accept the T's and C's and complete your order. Now we can see our domain here. Click on Services, your plan will be visible here and click on it to manage it. It is very important to secure our domain, so we will install an SSL TLS certificate for free. Check the boxes according to your needs and then click on Get It Free. Click Continue to go to the next page. Finally, click on Install to get the certificate and your domain is secured. Secondly, we would need to install WordPress for your website. To do this, you need to click on WordPress on the right side of your screen to get started. Click on Install and then fill in the necessary information and then click on Install. Installation progress will depend on your internet connection speed, but a maximum of a minute can be expected. And lastly, we need to set up an email address for your business. Click on Website and Domains to do this. Then click on Mail, then the Mail Accounts button. Here, you'll be able to create a new email address for your website. Fill in the details and your password. When you're done, click OK and you should be able to see your new created email on the screen. Now your website is good to go. If you have any inquiries or questions, please feel free to comment below and we'll reply as soon as possible to make sure you're satisfied with our services. Ciao for now. We'll see you on the next one.